Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about decision making in JavaScript, part of Web Technologies course. Decision making is a fundamental concept in programming that allows you to control the flow of your code based on certain conditions. In JavaScript, decision making is mainly achieved through the use of control flow statements such as if, else, and switch. The if statement is used to check if a certain condition is true and execute a block of code. For example, this code checks if the value of x is greater than 0. If it is, the code inside the if block will be executed and the message x is positive will be printed to the console. The else statement is used in conjunction with the if statement to provide an alternative block of code to execute if the condition in the if statement is false. For example, this code will check if the value of x is greater than 0. If it is true, the message x is positive will be printed. Otherwise, the message x is not positive will be printed. The switch statement is used to check for multiple conditions and execute a specific block of code based on matching case. For example, this code will check the value of the variable color. If it matches the string red, the message the color is red will be printed. If it matches blue, the message the color is blue will be printed. Otherwise, the default message the color is neither red nor blue will be printed. In addition, JavaScript also provides other control flows statements such as while, do while, for and for off to control the flow of execution in different ways. It is important to use the correct control flow statement for the task at hand, as well as to use them in a structured and readable way to make your code easy to understand and maintain. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.